Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming power stability. The update must not be interrupted. Once done, plug a 16 plus GB USB formatted FAT32 with the Sync 3. 4 files on the root directory. Make sure the car is parked, engine running, or battery maintainer connected to hold 13. 013, 5 volts. You should also note your VIN and current sync version so you can verify success. These steps remove the common failure modes and let the head unit focus solely on installing the new. Insert the USB and follow prompts. Choose Install or Update when the system detects files. You will see multiple progress bars. Remain patient because the process includes several automatic reboots and file verifications. Make sure not to remove the USB or power down the vehicle. That causes corruption. If the screen goes black, wait. The unit is likely rebooting. Keep an eye on the status messages and count reboots so you can report exact behavior if something fails. After the final reboot, go to Settings, General, About, and confirm Sync 3. 4 is installed. That verifies a clean update. If the upgrade stalls or fails, immediately reformat the USB to FAT32, recopy the unzipped files, and try another certified USB drive or port. Many failures are media-related. If features misbehave, perform a master reset from settings, but only after confirming files are present. And if problems persist, record any error codes and reboots. Those details speed further diagnosis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.